if you need extra sleeping space or your kids love sleepovers. This Stairway Twin-Over-Full Bunk Bed with Trundle storage is perfect for your home. 4 open shelves located beneath the attached staircase provide ample storage for your little one's toys and bedding. High quality. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame ensure stability and durability for long-term use and can be separated into one twin, one full-size bed, and a twin-size trundle. Slat kit included, so box springs are not required. This bunk bed is designed with a clean silhouette and a hue of elegance. It suits all styles of home decoration and completes the look of any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatility galore. This bunk bed features one twin-size upper bunk, one full-size bottom bunk, and one twin-size trundle for accommodating your kids or any overnight sleepers. It can also be divided into 3 individual beds for even more convenience, depending on how you want to organize your space. Slat distance, 7.6 inches. No spring boxes needed. Number 2. Designed for your child's safety. The upper bunk features a full-length guardrail, while the bottom bunk is designed to include both a headboard and footboard, along with the handrail. This bunk bed ensures top-notch security for your kids thanks to solid legs, made of solid pine for added strength and durability. Number 3. Maximize storage space. 4 compartments of different sizes hide underneath the stairs of this bunk bed and are perfect for you to store quilts, bed sheets, and other necessities. On top of that, you can store books and toys, making room tidying a breeze. Functional and aesthetic. This bunk bed will enhance any bedroom. Number 4. Solid and safe staircase. With a 4-step set of stairs, this bunk bed provides easy and safe access for getting in and out of the top bunk. Given the width of the stairs, they also double as very functional storage and help you change the quilts and bed sheets effortlessly when compared with traditional laddered bunks. Number 5. Dimensions. Upper bunk, 76.97 inches length by 42.91 inches width. Bottom bunk, 76.97 inches length by 54.33 inches width. Distance between upper and bottom bunk, 34.84 inches. Mattress is not included. Weight capacity. Upper bunk, 200 pounds. Bottom bunk, 250 pounds. Trundle bed minus 200 pounds. Some assembly is required, although we have provided clear instructions and tools, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.